Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to create multiple accounts, multiple Snapchat accounts on one phone, how we can add another Snapchat account. So right now I have already configured this one, but I just want to create another one. So what you can do is on the left top corner, you can see your profile picture or Bitmoji, whatever it is. Just go in here, and from here, you can click on the gear icon on the top right corner, which is settings. And from here, just scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says logout. But don't worry, you're not actually logging out. You are just planning to create a new account. So click on logout and click on logout. And then you should be able to see your main screen along with your profile details. Now from here, we will click on the sign up. If you want to create a new account, click on sign up and then follow the same process. Let's say second account, choose any birthday and you can change your username. I'll just write as Saad second, and this username is available. Click on continue. You can set a unique password. So everything looks good. You can save this login info to your device. Click on continue. Now this email has already been verified by another account. So let me use some other one. Now let's continue, and you can set up your mobile number and click on finish. Now it will confirm your Snapchat code verification, and you can add some of the friends if you want to. So just like that, and you can create a Bitmoji. Let me just choose a Bitmoji here. So let's say I want to use this Bitmoji, click on continue. And now it's created. And now you can choose the outfit, whatever you want. So for example, for this profile, I want to choose a funky look, just like that, and click on save. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, now we are in our new Snapchat account. Now, if you want to switch to the other Snapchat account, just follow the same thing. But first of all, just click on the profile and click on settings. As you can see here, this one is our second account. Now, if you want to switch, you can just go all the way down to logout. And it says that you need to verify an email in case you forget the password. So let's click on verify the email, click on save. And since I'm receiving this confirmation email on my other device, so I have just clicked on confirmed email. That's very simple. Just you will receive an email. You just have to confirm that. After that, just save. After that, you can see your email address is verified. You have to scroll down all the way down to logout, and now you can simply log out. Now I can see these two accounts right here. So whatever you want to use, you can use from here. Just select or switch to any of them and click on login, and you should be able to create two Snapchat accounts just like that. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.